Will Slothana be the next 100x pre-sale gem? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan. Today, we're taking a look at this new pre-sale gem that could take the internet by storm. It is on the Solana ecosystem that has been just going absolutely crazy as of late. And we're taking a look at this gem super early so you don't want to miss out. Now, before we jump in the video, make sure you smash the subscribe button to reach your crypto goals this bull run. All right, let's take a look at what this coin has to offer. So the Slothana pre-sale is live now. Buy before launch. 1 SOL equals 10,000 sloth. Currently raised over $3 million, guys, and this project just launched a couple of days ago. It's absolutely insane. You can also send your SOL to this address and then wait for the moon, aka the airdrop. All right, join the Slothana journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. Pre-sale happening now. Embrace the sloth life. Let your soul soar with Slothana. Pre-sale spots are limited from 420 to 420 million with Slothana. Dive into the sloth pre-sale. Now guys, the reason why I want to highlight this coin specifically, as you see on this channel, we cover a ton of meme coins and we always see these puppies pump like crazy, especially these pre-sale gems. And we're looking at this on the last Solana video. We're seeing these Solana pre-sales raise 50 million, 100 million, and sometimes upwards of $200 million. So this one being at $3 million right now, hasn't even launched yet, could have massive upside potential. Let's keep taking a look at the website. So how to buy, you're gonna connect your wallet, buy and swap for the amount. You can pause and read it or come to the website. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Some FAQ, tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after pre-sale. Keep an eye out for your wallet on the arrival of Sloth. And that's pretty much what the website has to offer. They're also on X as well, guys, with over 3,000 followers. Like I said, they're growing rapidly fast. They have a poll from 2 hours ago. Attention fellow sloths, poll time. Should we launch DEX only, embracing the true spirit of decentralization and lazy trends? Or should we go full throttle, hitting up more centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges like the overachieving slots we could be? Cast your vote now. I say DEX and centralized exchange listings, as 70% of people are also, because we saw what that did for Bohm. Bohm listed on day 2 Binance. I had a Binance listing by day 2 and raised over $1 billion in market cap. If Sloth could even raise a tenth of that, 100 million, 150 million, we could be seeing some crazy potential in our bags. They're very active on X, so I'd recommend coming over and checking them out over here as well. And guys, the reason why I'm so bullish on this project is I actually miss SLERF. So SLERF is another Solana cryptocurrency that also has the sloth theme to it, and they have over $327 in market cap, meaning this is a top 250 coin on coin market cap, listed at or ranked at 239. This puppy took the internet by storm. It has an extremely bullish community, and if we could see, like I said, some of this attention come over to Slothana, it could be game over from there. We've been seeing so much attention around these Solana based crypto gems that it's only likely that Slothana is going to get some of that love. Talking about getting that love for SLERF, let's talk about SLERF for a second. They could potentially be getting listed on Binance. They're currently ranked number 5 on the Binance Futures tab, where you can predict which tokens will be listed on Binance Futures by allocating 1 USD per pick, and it's currently number 5. If SLERF gets listed on Binance, that could be crazy news potential and articles relating to Slothana and SLERF going back and forth. Any attention for these meme-related Solana coins is going to be good for the whole Solana ecosystem as a whole. There's a ton of exciting things going on within the Solana ecosystem, guys, and you don't want to miss out these opportunities. And again, just to compare apples to apples here, right? SLERF on SOL already has 100,000 followers. They have over 68,000 holders. The community is definitely there, and this is what we see in the meme world, guys. You take a popular topic, coin, or character, mix it with the popular ecosystem, and these puppies go absolutely insane. And I'm sure that's the case we are going to see with the Slothana pre-sale. That pretty much wraps up the video, guys. It doesn't have to be any longer than this, but if you enjoy watching the videos and you want to reach your crypto goals, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below and let me know what you think about Slothana. Are you going to buy into this pre-sale? Do you think there is a bag to be made? I'm pretty bullish on this, and I want to know what you think in the comment section below. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.